Hi, welcome back to Growth Engineering, the platform where marketing meets engineering and data becomes your competitive advantage. In today's part, we will be bringing your workflow to life with intelligent email generation powered by OpenAI. Now, whether you are nurturing leads or re-engaging cold prospects, this is how to craft emails that truly sounds human and not robotic.
So we had to make a com, and on the canvas we continue from where we stopped at the last video. And now what we want to do is to add OpenAI module. So we click on the first router, type OpenAI. At this point we select create completion prompt based on our use case. Add OpenAI API key. That's your OpenAI API key. So quickly, I'll head to my OpenAI account to quickly grab the API key. So you go to platform.openai.com to sign into your account. Okay, right now I'm signed in. So this is where I create the OpenAI key. You click on create. You give it a meaningful name, make API key. Project, let's select default. And leave the permission to all, which is restricted and read only, all permission. Click on create. And then you can copy your API key and head back to make.com for the connection. So I'll simply just paste and click save. Yep, it's now connected, and you can see selected method chat completion. And then model, I use 4.0. You can choose any model of your choice based on your OpenAI account. I use 4.0, so you can use 3.5 turbo. Let's wait a while. Okay, at this point, we need to include the role we want this agent to act as the developer, which is more like the system, and then content. Yes, this is the point where we insert our prompt. So at this point, we want to give the OpenAI the AI instruction. So I'm going to, these are like placeholders, so I'm going to replace this with, map them to the column from the air table. So this would be name, the company, map it company, and then previous activity. So as you can see, what instructions were given, which is more like a prompt, were given the OpenAI were given to the AI is that write a warm professional follow-up email to the name. This name is mapped to the name column or the name field in our Airtable from the company name, and they have previously, that's the previous activity, reference this activity and invite them to explore more options or whatever. All right, so this is the set of instructions. You could write your prompt in whichever way it pleases you. So at this point, I click on save, and we have the first router or the first module, API module, fully configured and ready to respond to our message. So we head to the second one, which is the leads without history. Same thing, OpenAI. Click on chat completion, connect to the API key that to make paste it. So we establish connection. So we next is to set it up. Model is still 4.0 for me. Like I said, you can use a model of your choice. And then we also say wait for the message. Now this message, the role will choose user for fresh leads. Now the content, we're going to map the content as we did in the previous because no previous history, the only personalization that we can achieve here would be get the person's name, the lead's name. So I'm happy to write a friendly welcome email to map the field to the ethical field, which is the name. We just signed up and blah, 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 blah. So we click on save. And at this point, we have our OpenAI added to our workflow and ready to respond to messaging.
Now, as you can see in the demo, you will need two prompt variants, one for leads with history and the other for leads without history. Particularly take note how they sound alike, however, each adapting to what we know about the lead. Always remember to tailor your prompt according to your lead's attributes. The more context you add, the more the AI response is refined. If you found value in this video, please subscribe to our channel and follow us on all our social media platforms. And don't forget to check out our resource. It's free. This could enable you kickstart your automation journey and accomplish within 1 hour. There are lots of free resources. I provided a link below, so check them out and let me know what you think. See you in the next video. Bye bye.